Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lecture, I will discuss two topics, glossary and para comprehension of lesson 2 textbook. Students, in your previous lecture, while you were reading lesson 2, The Strange Voyage of Sindbad, you have studied about these words: dazzling, chamakna, so bright is easy meaning for this word. I close it into brackets. So bright that you cannot see for a short time. Descending, नीचे उतरना, to come or go down from a higher to a lower level. Immense, बेहद जसामत, extremely large or great. Extremely large is first meaning while great is the other meaning for this word. Marvelous, extremely good, while wonderful is another meaning. Amazement, हैरत, a feeling of great surprise. Hovering, लटकना, मंडलाना, to stay in the air in one place. Swiftly, तेजी से. Quickly, after a very short time. Desolate, तन्हाई, empty and without people, making you feel sad or frightened. Inherited, विरासत, to receive money or property from somebody when they die. Embarked, चढ़ाना, to get onto a ship. This is first meaning. I close it in brackets. Embark, to get onto a ship or to put something onto a ship. Bargain, a thing bought for less than the usual price. Perceive, mushahida, to notice or become aware of something. Despair, mayusi, the feeling of having lost all hope. Curiosity, a strong desire to know about something. Turban, pagdi, a long piece of cloth wound tightly around the head. Puzzled, चकरा जाना, सोचो विचार में पड़ जाना. Unable to understand something or the reason for something. There are two meanings given to one word puzzled. Securely, महफूज तरीके से, in a way that is safe or protected against harm or crime, etc. Students, you will write these glossaries, these words meaning in your neat copy. Our second topic is para comprehension. Students, how to do para comprehension? I had discussed it in my previous lecture about lesson 1. So let's start para comprehension. Students, I took paragraph 5 from page 16 of lesson 2. The valley in which I found myself was deep and narrow and surrounded by mountains which towered into the clouds and were so steep and rocky that there was no way of climbing up their sides. As I wandered about seeking anxiously for some means of escaping from this trap, I observed that the ground was covered with diamonds. This sight gave me great pleasure, but my delight was speedily damped when I saw also numbers of horrible snakes so long and so large that the smallest of them could have swallowed an elephant with ease. Fortunately for me, they seemed to hide in caves of the rocks by day and only came out by nightly, probably because of their enemy, the rock. Students, this is the presentation of para comprehension. You will do it in your neat copy. Follow the format. This is question number 1. How was the ground covered? The ground was covered with diamonds. This sight gave Sindbad great pleasure. Second one, who was the enemy of the snakes? Rock was the enemy of the snakes. Therefore, snakes seemed to hide in caves of the rocks by day and only came out by night. We have studied from this paragraph. Number 3, what was the condition of valley? The valley was deep and narrow and surrounded by mountains which towered into the clouds and were so steep and rocky. Number 4, what kind of snakes were seen by the narrator? The narrator saw a number of horrible snakes so large and so long and so large that the smallest of them could have swallowed an elephant with ease. Number 5, what is the main idea of this paragraph? The narrator has fantastic adventures going to magical places and meeting monsters and got success. Students, this is your activity. Take at least 2 paragraphs from this lesson 2 and make 5 question answers in your practice copy or rough copy. Stay safe at home. God bless you.